Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this part, which is a tutorial number 87. And you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file. So first thing which I will do is insert a body, and I will on the plane, and I will select this right plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab and off the plane. And now first thing which I will do is to create this outer boundary. So for this I will select the line tool, create a horizontal line, and then select the polyline tool, and create a rough profile. And now we will make this vertical, this one horizontal, this one horizontal. And now let's make this line symmetric. So we will use your symmetricity constraint. Select this point, and this axis, and select a horizontal dimension and provide the horizontal dimension of a 76. And now we will also make this 2 points symmetric. So select this point and this axis, and we will provide a vertical dimension of 64, and select this point and provide the dimension of 36. And now we will move it, we will also move it. Now I will move the dimension. Now we will select horizontal dimension, and this dimension will be 88, and we will also use the symmetricity constraint. Select this point and this axis, and select smart dimension and provide this dimension 60. And now I will move this dimension and constrain this one, which is of 5 mm, and here select this line and make it equal. So here is our sketch is fully constrained. I move the dimension so that you can clearly see it. Now we will come out of the sketch and create a pad of 40 mm, and we will make it symmetric to the plane, and click on OK, and press 0 for isometric view. Now we will create this cut. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will create a rectangle, and we will make these 2 points symmetric, so we will use a symmetricity constraint. Select this point, and this axis, select horizontal dimension, and provide the dimension of a 36, and select vertical dimension and provide the vertical dimension of a 20 mm. Now close it. Now click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now press 0 for isometric view, and now we will create material here. So for this we will, on our plane, as our part is asymmetric, so we will select this mid plane, YZ plane, and click on the sketch, and we will hide our origin plane. And now we will project this edge, so click on the project geometry, and also project this one. We will switch to the wireframe view, and now we will select the line tool, and create a rough profile. And now we will select horizontal dimension, and this point to this is of 73, and select a vertical dimension and provide it 10 mm, and we will select the line tool and close this profile. And now we will close it, and we will create extrude of 20 mm. So we will go to the flat lines, so we can press V7 for shaded view. And now we will select the sketch and click on extrude, and here we will give the value 20 mm and click on it symmetric to the plane, click on OK. And here we will create a fillet of R10, so we will click on the fillet, select this edge and this edge, and provide the value 9.99, click on OK. Now we will mirror this on the other side, so we will click on the mirror tool, and here we will select these two features which we wanted to mirror, click on OK. And you can see that FreeCAD automatically selected this mid plane XZ and mirror my feature, click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric view, select this face and click on the sketch, and create diameter of 38, so click on project geometry and create a circle and give it a diameter constraint of 38. And now select this point and this axis, add a coincidence, select this point and this projected line and add a coincidence, and click on close. And we will select the sketch and click on extrude, and we will click on reverse, and here we will select up to face, so we will select this back face, click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric view, but here this feature is not completely merged, so click on pad, last feature, here is a refine is a false, set it true, so it will be perfectly merged. Now we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project this outer radius, so click on project geometry, and here we will create a circle of a radius of R27, or we can give the diameter as well. So I will give the radius R27, close it, and now we will create a cut of 10 mm. So select the sketch, click on extrude cut and give the value 10 mm, click on OK. Then select this inner face and click on the sketch and project it and create a circle and provide it a radius of R90 or diameter 38, R19. Now close it and create a cut of 10 mm, click on extrude cut and give the value 10 mm, say OK. Now we will create this drill hole which is of a dia 20. So I will make this with a cut. You can also use the hole wizard. So select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and select a circle, create a circle and select diameter of dia 20, click on close and select a cut and say it through all, say OK. Now here is our two legs and there are the two holes. So we will select this face and click on the sketch and project these edges and select the circle tool and create two circle. You can create a hole at one side, you can mirror it, but I am going to make in a single feature and this is of diameter 10. So first thing I will select this one and provide the diameter of a 10, and now I will select this circle and this one and made it equal. Now close it. Now click on cut and from here say through all, say OK. So you can see that we have successfully modeled this part, and now the one thing which remain is we will provide the exact color. So go to the here shape colors and here I select some green color. So you can see that we have successfully modeled this isometric drawing into the 3D model in a part workbench of part design workbench of FreeCAD. And this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have enjoyed this tutorial then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on ko-fi.com. Link is given in a video description. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.